You need to hear this if you're curious about nature's noisiest insects. We're talking about cicadas and their fascinating lives. Cicadas spend most of their lives underground as nymphs. When they finally emerge, they transform in a stunning metamorphosis, shedding their old skin and revealing those iconic, transparent wings. Their body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. The head features a pair of antennae and compound eyes. These eyes detect light and movement, helping cicadas avoid predators. The thorax has 6 powerful legs and 2 pairs of wings. These wings aren't just for show, they're crucial for quick getaways. In the abdomen, males possess a unique sound-producing organ, letting them sing those famous summer songs. Females, on the other hand, stay silent. Next time you hear their buzz, you'll know just how special these insects are. Cicadas might be small, but they sure live large.